Dear students, the next topic in the chapter, Nature and Purpose of Business, is Business Risk. Business Risk. In the future of business, we learn it involves uncertainty. There is a possibility of occurring loss in the business firm. So today we are learning in this topic what is business risk, how the business risk is occurred, and what are the causes of business risk. So, the business risk is a very important thing to be taken into mind by all the business people, whether maybe a small businessman or a large businessman. So, business risk, as I said, a risk means the possibility of occurring loss. And in business also, there is a possibility of occurring loss due to many reasons. So remember, it is very important. We have to be beware of that type of possibility to lose our cash, maybe knowingly or unknowingly. So remember the meaning. Business risk is the possibility to face losses that may be due to natural causes or man-made reasons. So two type of risk is there: speculative risk and pure risk. Speculative risk, as it said, it may be due to mainly due to human beings. We can avoid all these things by taking some measures. So, just read the concept speculative risk. It involves both chances for gain or loss. Such risk arises due to change in the market condition. We know very well. Due to the change in health condition at the present world, we are facing a severe disease named corona. So, developed countries and developing countries, they are facing the problem of change in market condition. Some companies' shares are not sold, it's not selling. So, change in market condition, fluctuation in the demand and supply for the product. If there is no sale of buy of product, there will be change in demand, maybe decreasing demand for the product. Also, change in the taste and preference of the customers also leads to possibility of loss. So these type of conditions we can reduce up to certain level, but pure risk is not controllable. Why? Because it is due to some natural causes like theft, earthquake, strike, etc. So these two type of risk are there, and we are going to learn more about how it is occurred. What are the causes of business risk? So, first of all, we have to know about the natural causes. We know very well how the nature affect the business people. Lot of damages are happening due to flood, especially in Kerala. From the last 2 decades, we are facing the flood. Now, this critical coronavirus. So we have to avoid some natural causes to reduce the level of risk. So sometimes it is expected, sometimes it is not expected. So natural causes include the causes like flood, fire, earthquake, etc. And next one is human causes. Employees are lot of there in organization. All are having different taste and preference. Lot of them are honest, but some are there, they want more money. Their needs are uncontrollable. So here the causes like theft, the bad debts, lot of acts are there against the organization. So it will affect the business future also. So natural causes are there, human causes are there. Due to all these reasons, the business will face losses. Again, some more important points are there. In this causes of business risk arising from competition. Risk arising from competition. Lot of new products are coming into the market. So every business people want to survive. They will also try to bring new product. How they can survive without new product? They can reduce the price of the product. At that time also they will face losses. If they are bringing new product in the market, they have to introduce new technologies. So severe competition will be there. Due to that, they will face risk. Also the price fluctuations. Price fluctuations may be in the value of stock, the selling price or the price of the product, budget proposals by the government, and the cost and income forecast. It will vary as per the market conditions. So a lot of possibilities are there for the price fluctuation. It also affects the business risk. So these are all the concepts regarding the topic business risk. Learn all these things by reading more contents from the work. Also by reading from the books. Develop your own concepts regarding business risk. So we will meet in the next topic, how we can start a new business organization and what are the factors to be considered for starting a new organization by yourself. So thank you for watching the video. Any doubt you can discuss with me. Thank you.